Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how check spam folder Gmail. To start, open Gmail account. Here, click on More to see the spam folder. Click on this folder and you will be able to see the content. There you can delete the emails or mark them as not spam. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.